PeaRoy, how you doing today?
Well, I'm doing good, Mr. Rick. How in the world are you?
Well, good. Are you having a good Christmas?
Why, yeah, I'm having a good Christmas. I sure am.
Spending it with
Carl? Yeah, I've been spending it with Carl.
Carl, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that's interesting.
Yeah, it is. He's a good old fella.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's good.
Uh-huh.
Well, look here. What I decided to do is let's just thank everybody for their standing by us this year.
Well, absolutely. They've been good, hadn't they?
Yeah. Just say thank you.
Yeah,
you know?
okay.
It's at the end of the year.
Uh-huh.
We got a lot to be thankful for.
We do.
And I would just like to take this time to thank all you folks that has been watching the show and support us and everything.
Absolutely.
Look here what I got.
What you got?
Y'all be sweet.
Oh.
You know who sent me that?
Who?
My daughter.
Really?
Jessica, the one I went up there to meet.
You don't mean it.
And see the family up there in Utah.
Yeah?
She gave me that.
How about that?
Look at there, y'all be sweet. I got in trouble too because I opened it early. I didn't know who sent it.
Well,
to me.
you should have did that.
I thought it was one of you fellas.
Oh, okay.
Well, it was kind of
Yeah.
one of you fellers because she watches the show too.
Why, she sure does.
In fact, I believe all my family does, but I don't know.
I hope so.
Stupid show.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'd like to take this time to thank you and
Loud bird.
and thank you for standing by. I'm going to get back on this truck as soon as I can. I've had a couple of you guys, Kenneth for one, wants me to get back on the truck, and I do too. But
yeah.
let me tell you something. The last 10 days I've been sick.
Yeah.
Yesterday I went over and made this video that you're looking at now.
Yeah.
And it's been raining just about every day.
Yeah, it has now. That's a loud bird.
Loud birds are in the background.
Yeah. Loud too, ain't it?
But anyway,
Nice.
I just want to thank you, PeaRoy, for sticking with
Absolutely.
me too. And I'm glad that you're still here.
Here, I want you to take this hat.
Okay, well, hang on.
There you go. Yeah. How you like that, Mr.
Well,
Rick?
thank you, PeaRoy. You got one too? All right.
Well,
I'll tell you what.
tell-
You go ahead and,
Yeah, I won't
and
tell
tell
a
what
joke
you
if
want
you
to
don't
tell.
mind.
And
Yeah, I got a couple here.
I'll stand here.
All right.
Okay.
All right. Well, look here. How much does it cost for Santa to park his Santa sleigh?
I don't know how much it costs for Santa Claus to park his sleigh.
Nothing. It's on the house.
Oh, well, you're right. It's on the house, ain't it? All right, give me an ear.
All right. What do you use to clean a Santa suit?
Well, I don't know. I see that these are sticking to big Christmas jokes, and that's good, I reckon.
Yeah.
How much does it cost to clean Santa's suit?
Yeah, I don't know.
Yule tide.
You use Yuletide. You done messed that joke up, man. That's a bad joke. You messed that joke up. Why are Christmas trees bad sowers?
I didn't know they did so.
Because they keep dropping the needles.
Yeah. Boy, my tree's dropping needles, even though it's a fake one. The cat keeps biting them off. All right, tell me then.
Why are candy canes so expensive?
Why are candy canes so expensive?
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Well, because they in
condition.
mint condition. You told the
All
joke
right.
before I got through, man.
Well, look here.
I don't know what's up with you, man. You just ruin all my jokes.
Me and old PeaRoy here, we've had a good year. And
We've had a
thank you
good year,
guys for
hadn't
that.
we?
I hope that you have a wonderful Christmas and
I
get
do too.
plenty of gifts, but the main thing is that you spend it with your family. You spend it with your God.
That's right.
Thank
That's
you,
right.
Jesus, for loving me
That's right.
enough for saving me from my sins and letting me live forever. That's a pretty good thing too, ain't it? Hey, look here. Y'all be sweet.
All right, well, look here, y'all. Mr. Rick, all y'all always talking about me, how I ain't right. Well, he ain't right neither, but he's okay. He's a good boss man, and I like it. So, and don't tell him, but she got me one too. Y'all be sweet.